Hey guys, it's Steve here with the Food Pilgrimage and welcome to our ultimate guide to London's Chinatown. Now if you're in London, whether you live here, if you're a tourist, if you're here for work, you've got to come and eat here, but there are a hell of a lot of tourist traps, you've got to be careful. We've had some bad experiences, but there are also some real hidden gems down the side alleys. There are some fantastic family run, really good value restaurants serving up authentic Asian cuisine. We're going to try Chinese, Japanese, Korean, Thai, Vietnamese. There's all sorts here and you have to come and try it, but you've got to be careful and you've got to follow this guide really, really carefully. So we're going to do a playlist of videos. We're going to have one restaurant per video, and today is the first one. We're going to C&R Cafe, which is just behind us. First we're going to meet my friend Mike, then we're going to head on down there and we are going to have some laksa. It's a Malaysian restaurant and they do the most amazing big noodle soup. They've been there since the 80s. It's really popular, really well reviewed, and can't wait. Let's go and check it out. Look at these amazing Peking ducks hanging in the window, and that massive piece of pork fat. Like, it's like the biggest piece of crackling you've ever seen hanging up there. We just arrived at the restaurant and we've met my mate Mike.
Hello, I'm Mike. I run Soho UK. We make spicy chili oils. We use 20 different strains of chili. I'll give you a shameless plug. If you go on Instagram and it's at Soho UK, one word, give us a follow, have a little try, see what you think.
Yeah, check them out at Soho UK on Instagram. Really, really good stuff. Yeah. So we've just arrived at the restaurant. It's just here. We're going to head on in. Okay, we just ordered. There's so much on the menu and it all looks really, really, really good. I've gone for beef rendang. I mean, it's the Malaysian classic and I just thought I had to try it here. And we've got one sharing dish as well, which is a 5-spice low bak. I've never had it before, but it's a crispy homemade minced pork roll, sort of bean curd skin. There's a little picture here.
It's kind of something like a sausage, I suppose.
Yeah, I think so. I think so.
Reimagined. So I've gone for the Singapore laksa. It looked the best thing on the menu. It's got everything in it. So we've got king prawn, fish cake, dried bean curd, chicken, fish balls and bean sprouts in a spicy coconut soup. Sounds awesome.
Definitely, it's the best one of the laksas, and laksa's that classic, classic Malaysian dish. You got to try a laksa. Yeah, really excited.
Great, thank you very much.
Wow, thank you, that's brilliant. Oh, they look amazing.
You're at the top.
Yeah. The laksas have just arrived. Look at those. All those prawns, chicken balls, fish balls. Mike's got to ask for extra chili though. He's a chili fiend. Yeah. Extra fresh chili on that.
Obsessed.
Yeah, that rich coconut broth just looks amazing.
Awesome.
Yeah. Chili. Can we have some extra chili?
We have quite a lot of extra chili if you wouldn't mind.
Thank you. Yes. Oh, she's got it ready. It's going to be that crazy hot chili pesto.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you very much.
Here's Mike's extra chili, and you just know that's going to be hot. Look at the colour of it.
Tops.
Let's film getting in there.
Need more of that.
I
actually want another one of them.
Yeah, there's no spice this man can't eat.
Trust me. No.
It's got to burn your face off if he's going to enjoy it.
I can't taste any flavour unless it's very, very, very spicy.
Alright, it's all arrived. God, it looks good. We're going to try.
A lot of chilli in this now.
Yeah.
It's all mixing in nice.
Mike's got the correct amount of chilli and he's going to dig in.
I don't know if it's correct, it might not be enough. Let's get some prawn.
It's a serious noodle soup right there.
Unbelievable. Absolutely banging. The coconut coming through, really nice spice, really creamy. Yeah, need another one of them though.
All of that chili.
Yeah, it's not quite spicy enough. Yeah, it's top notch. Yeah, really, really nice. Really coconutty. I've not had laksa before. It's really, really good.
Yeah, laksa's
I think we'll be back here. Yeah.
Yeah, out of all of the Asian noodle soups, I think laksa's got to be my favourite. I mean, you've got hot pot from China, you've got pho from Vietnam, but laksa, I just think it's like coconut.
Yeah. It's really good.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't think it can beat hot pot, but I don't think anything can beat hot pot. To be honest with you. But this is really, really nice.
Hot pot's special, but because Malaysia is so much further south, they use much more coconut in their cooking, and I just love it. I love that it adds this real rich creaminess to the broth. It's wonderful.
Thank you.
Yeah. I mean, you can tell by looking at it just how beautiful it is. Let's take a bit of a closer look. This is Ida's one, which she's patiently waiting to eat, and you can see the chili oil floating on top and the prawns.
I need some more chili.
It's just gorgeous.
Sorry. Excuse me, can I have some more chili, please? Thank you.
Thank you. Sorry, he's crazy about chili. He just can never.
Yeah, just give a little bit.
He's crazy.
Thank you.
Thanks so much. What is that? I think it's a piece of egg, actually. It looks wonderful, though. Let's give it a go. Yeah, always egg. The broth just makes everything so rich, that coconut. And you've got the chili oil floating on top, it just sticks to it and it gives it this lovely hum, this spicy hum. Some chicken as well. Yeah, just look at that. Gorgeous. So we got our sharing platter here. This is it's pork mince in a soybean crust with some really, really nice looking chili sauce. And just look at one of these pieces. Looks gorgeous.
It's like the sausage reimagined.
Yeah, Asian sausage, I'm going to call it. Let's give it a go. I bet this is going to be spicy, this one. Oh. Oh.
What is it? Crisp.
So crispy. Get it in that chili.
Is that chili, yeah? Okay.
Wow.
It's great. It reminds me of beef duck, but it's the shell.
Yeah, it is similar to duck actually. Yeah. They're really
good.
crazy crispy on the outside. Like you,
Very, very crispy. Yeah.
you bite it and it just shatters, and then that chili sauce just cuts
Boom.
straight through. A bit of a tip: if you want something authentic that's going to be really good, just ask the owners. She came over and we said, we want a sharing platter. We have no idea what we want. She just said, I know what to get you. She brought it over, and I tell you what, she really knew what she was talking about, and it is really good. I mean, it's this beautiful. I can't find any words to describe it other than Asian sausage, but it's so good. You dip it in this
Crispy Asian sausage.
Crispy Asian sausage, Mike's come up with. Yeah. Dip it in the chili sauce and just look at it. Absolutely beautiful. Yes. Time for the beef rendang. I'm going for the absolute classic. I mean, if I had to name one dish I know from Malaysia, it would be beef rendang. And it looks fantastic. It's a super reduced curry with these huge, lovely bits of beef and some steamed rice. And look at that. What a plate of food. Let's give it a try. Look at that. I wish you could smell it as well. The rich spices. We're steaming, it's going to be hot. I don't even know how to describe that. It's so rich. It's one of the most flavoursome mouthfuls I've ever had. It's so reduced. It must have been slow cooked for so many hours, so those flavours are really concentrated. Got the coconut, the rich beef, the crazy spices, and the chili. It's got a lovely warmth to it. That's the taste of Malaysia. The portions are huge, which is
yeah, I love it.
Huge portions, which is great. I mean, Mike eats a lot. He's a growing lad, and he's only managed to get it down about halfway. So I'm gonna try this. This is one of the fish. Is it a fish ball, Mike?
That's a fish cake. Yeah.
A fish cake. Sorry, a fish cake. So I'm gonna try Mike's fish cake, covered in his extra chili oil, of course. I mean, look at that, dripping with the really rich coconut laksa broth. Let's give it a go. Oh, that is quite hot. Delicious. Such good flavour. Such a rich broth. Oh, I love laksa. For restaurant number 1 of the ultimate tour of London's Chinatown, that is a great one to kick it off.
Definitely hits it, yeah.
It's
real. It's a very, very good start. I'm feeling promising right now.
Absolutely, yeah. So,
bit of a food coma though, a little bit.
The portions are absolutely huge. It's
large.
Lovely people, family run, really good value for money, massive portions, authentic food as well. I mean, come down, C&R Cafe, you're not going to go wrong. So that was just the first one in the ultimate tour of London's Chinatown, and there is a lot more to come. Make sure you subscribe, hit that button down there if you haven't already, and please give this video a thumbs up. It's really going to help our channel. Make sure you don't miss anything as well. If you've subscribed, you're going to get all of these videos. Thanks so much, guys, and we'll see you next time.
See you next time.